Hello, fellow traders. Nutty Bar Trading coming to you on a Monday. Hope this finds you well. Hopefully you had a great weekend. I know I did. Actually, it was a surprise birthday party yesterday that I was not expecting. But regardless, this video I'm gonna do a quick recap on the day. Also, just kind of summarize what happened last week in case you missed it. I didn't do my weekly summary video that I try to do every Saturday. Just did not have time to do it on Saturday. And I will just briefly go over that. But you can see there's not a whole lot to go over. Obviously, you can see we had a red day on the 150K account. Let me rewind a little bit. So if you didn't find out, last week we blew the 150K account that we were trading. If you want to know more about how that happened, why it happened, yada, 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 look on Friday's video. I think it was Friday's video. Either Thursday or Friday's video. Yeah, I messed up. Went on just completely went off the rails on my risk management, and we blew that 150K funded account that at one point was $4,300 in profit. We were $700 away from being able to take a withdrawal. So I really am a little bit sad about that. But we're moving on. We had, you can watch the previous videos, but we've had 250K funded accounts that basically, or evaluation accounts that were passed. You can see the very top one right here is also a past evaluation account that we just are. It's basically the evaluation account is sitting at 6 days traded, and it's basically a backup for my 150K accounts because I'm trading these 150K accounts a lot more aggressive, and I understand that I could blow them once we go through these 150K accounts. I don't know what I'm gonna do. I guess we'll have to reevaluate. Hopefully we don't have to go there. Mentally, I don't want to go there right now. But yeah, we've had a backup, and so basically that is what you see here. This account here is what we used. This was basically an evaluation account that was also sitting at 6 days traded. So we traded it one day, funded, paid the monthly fee, not the one-time lifetime fee, but the monthly fee. And now we are trading this account. This is the first day that we traded on the account. Obviously, you can see did not go exactly great this morning. And then also just you can see the 1950K accounts didn't take a trade. Did not take a trade today on those accounts. And quite honestly, on these 1950K accounts, I feel like I'm just not seeing the market well. It seems every trade I take, it just immediately goes against me. So I'm just going to give those 1950K accounts a rest. So I don't do anything stupid with those. And I'm just going to take it easy. But yeah, I didn't trade those on Friday either. And I'm okay with that. Obviously, the 1950K accounts, if you're new, taking it really slow with those, only trading micros. And if it takes me 3 months to get to payout, we're okay with that. Obviously, if I go through my 150K accounts that I currently have, then we might look at a different strategy on the 50Ks. Definitely don't want to rule that out. But right now, the number one goal is to try and get to a payout. I have gotten payouts in the past, but not with Apex. And it just seems like I cannot get over that hump with Apex and to get that payout. So, and the other thing with the 150Ks, I'm definitely seeing like there's pros and cons with the 150. Obviously, you have more drawdown, but you also have to make a lot more money before you can take that first withdrawal. So it's definitely a challenge, and we're going to keep going and just yeah, it is what it is. We will have red days, and you will see them. Hopefully, we'll turn it around. But let me switch screens. Actually, let me show you this. So switch to the 150K. Obviously, this is fresh, brand new. I erased all the data from the old 150K account that got blown. That is now gone. Sad. Feel like that's still frustrating me a little bit. I'm trying to move on. But yeah, today, $800 loss day. That's where my Guardian Angel Trader loss is set at. I'm giving myself a little bit more room. I'm going to be a little bit more aggressive, especially early on these 150K accounts. As we get closer to that profit threshold of 5,000, we'll obviously narrow things down a little bit to protect our capital. And then hopefully we won't do anything stupid like we did last week where I turn off Guardian Angel Trader. So again, that was completely my fault, and just we got to learn. We got to learn our lessons here. So that's what we're trying to do. Here, let me hide this just briefly. I don't want to waste your guys' time. But just showing you where I took my trades this morning, and I mean, I'm okay with it in a sense, but just bad timing, bad entries. Again, the thing to keep in context here is we had at 8:30 this morning, we had a huge move down into the open. We dropped about 100 points. And then at the open, I thought this 40 level here was holding. It held here, and it held here, and then it held here. And yeah, I thought the 40 level, if it holds, I thought we would, at least go test the 70s. I was just looking for, 10 points. And it just went against me, took me out on this wick lower. And that was a pretty big loss, like a $600 loss. Again, that's kind of what you get when you trade the open. The volatility is just a lot higher volatility, and you have to give yourself some room for the price to move. And I tried to do that. Basically kept my stop below the lows, which it is what it is. Obviously, everyone, it's always easy in the comments to, everyone in the comment, not everyone, I don't want to say everyone, but there's always a couple that know everything, and they know if I would have kept my stop, here, I wouldn't have gotten stopped out. Now, in hindsight, that's very easy to see, but in the moment, that's not quite so easy. But anyway, I tried it again here, and basically the same thing happened, and I hit my daily loss on the day. And obviously I was wrong. Like, the market wanted to keep selling off. I thought we would make a little bit more of a move higher. But I'll be honest, I'm really glad that I didn't trade the rest of the day here, because I actually had a doctor's appointment this morning, and I'll leave it at that. But I'm glad I didn't trade, because this V-shaped reversals are usually I don't play those very well at all. So yeah, I'm glad that I didn't trade my 1950K accounts. I know an $800 loss day, it's not what I want, but it's not a big deal. It's a fresh 150K account. We have plenty of drawdown remaining, and hopefully we can turn it around. Like I said, I feel a little bit in a funk right now. So usually the best way for me to get out of the funk is to take some small winners just to get some confidence back. So hopefully we can do that tomorrow. But anyway, that's all I got. Hopefully everyone has a great rest of your day. Hopefully your trading day went better than mine. And we will be back at it tomorrow. I plan to stream all day tomorrow. Hopefully things will go better. So hopefully I'll see you here. If not, have a great day, and God bless.